am going to start chapter number 15, famous names and real name. So here I have written the famous name, and here are some clues in your book, and you have to choose the correct one and write here. Okay. So according to your book, given below is a list of some famous author, artist, leader and historical figure from India. The names by which we know these people were not really their original name. We know the people with this name, but not this one the real name of them. So what is the real name of this person? So I will write the real name of this person one by one. Okay, and here are some clues in your green box. There are written every name, so you have to choose the correct one and write beside the popular name. Okay, so you have to write the real name beside the popular name. Number one, according to your book, number one is Tulsidas. Who is Tulsidas? Tulsidas, also known as Goswami Tulsidas, was a Ramanandi Vaishnavi saint and poet, known for his devotion to the Indian god Rama. Okay, now the real name of Tulsidas is Ram Gola. Ram Gola. Now next one is Munshi Premchand. Number two, Munshi Premchand. Munshi Premchand was a great Hindi poet, and he is famous for his Hindi literature. His famous novel is Godar. The real name of the Munshi Premchand is Dhanpat Rai Srivastava. Dhanpat, D-H, Dhanpat Rai Srivastava. In your book, please add A. Where is written Dhanpat Rai Srivastava? Here is only written V. So you write A here. Okay. Dhanpat Rai Srivastava. Number 3, Sumitra Nandan Kant. Sumitra Nandan Kant, one of the most celebrated 20th century poets of the Hindi language, and was known for romanticism in his poem, which was inspired by nature. So his real name is Gosai Dutt. Gosai Dutt. Number 4, Mirza Ghalib. All of you know this name, Mirza Ghalib. Mirza Ghalib was Urdu and Persian poet during the last years of Mughal Emperor. So his real name is Mirza Asadullah Here is again spelling mistake. Please student correct this one. Here is written Beg. So spelling is B-A-I-G. Beg Khan. So please everyone correct in your book. There is written B-E-G. Here is written B-E-G. You cut this one, you write this correct spelling. Okay? In your book. Mirza Asadullah Beg Khan. Now, number 5, Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Swami Dayanand Saraswati was the leader and founder of Hindu Reform Organization, and he is the religious poet, or you can say that he is the religious. Actually, Swami Dayanand Saraswati was the religious leader and founder of Hindu Reform Organization. His real name is Mool Shankar Tiwari. Now, number 6, Swami Ramakrishna Paramhansa. All of you know Ramakrishna Dev. So his real name is, I'm not going to tell you about Swami Ramakrishna because all of you know about him. So his real name is Gadadhar Chattopadhyay. Chattopadhyay. Now, Swami Vivekananda. Everyone know this name, Swami Vivekananda. I think everyone know about everything about Swami Vivekananda, and you know the real name of Swami Vivekananda. So, real name of Swami Vivekananda is Narendranath Datta. Now the next one, Indira Gandhi. Who is Indira Gandhi? Indira Gandhi was the first and to date female Prime Minister in India. Her real name is Indira Priyadarshini Nehru. Indira Priyadarshini Indira Priyadarshini Nehru. So what I have told, Indira Gandhi was the first and to date only female Prime Minister of India. Now Birbal. Everyone familiar with this character Birbal, and everyone know this name. He was very popular among tales. I have read many stories about Birbal. Birbal was a Hindu advisor and main commander of army in the court of the Mughal emperor. His real name is Mahesh Das Bhatt. Real name is Mahesh Das Bhatt. Now 10. Lakshmi Bai. Who is Lakshmi Bai? Jhansi Ki Rani. Lakshmi Bai was the very popular and known as Jhansi Ki Rani. Her real name is Manikarnika. Here is only written Manikarnika, but I have her surname Tambe. So, real name of Lakshmi Bai is Manikarnika Tambe. Clear? Now, Purandara Dasa. Purandara Dasa. He was the great devotee of Lord Krishna. His real name is Srinivas Nayak. Srinivasa Nayak. Now, last one, Maharishi Valmiki. Have you known the name of Maharishi Valmiki? He was the author of Ramayana. So his real name is Ratnakar. Okay, and he is also known as Adikavi or fast poet. Maharishi Valmiki also known as Adikavi or fast poet, and he was the author of Ramayana. So here is written the popular name, and I have written here the real name of each person. So please everyone first pause the video and write the real name of this famous person in your book. Okay? So you prepare this one and learn this one and memorize all the